How to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to fix WhatsApp video call minimize issue. So for this case, you could try a couple of different steps. So what you could do is actually, first thing first, try checking for an update. So head over to your respective app store. In the search bar, type in WhatsApp. And when you type in WhatsApp, check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, then what you could also do is you could also try restarting your device. Hold on to your side button and then restart. That might be able to fix the issue. Other than that, if nothing works out, you also want to make sure to go ahead and open up your settings or devices settings. Go to app section. Over here, you want to make sure to click on see all apps and locate WhatsApp from the list. And when you do this here, you want to make sure to go and scroll down, and then you should make sure to enable picture-in-picture mode this way. And other than that, you also want to go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and that should be able to help you out. So these are some of the ways to fix WhatsApp video call minimize problem. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.